Hello YouTube, this is how you replace your hood cable or cable assembly on a 2017 RX350. You just follow right there and all the way over here, but you can't access to it. You have to remove, which is couple bolts. You have to remove this whole piece right here. You don't have to remove the motor, the wiper motor. You just have to remove a couple screw. I think it's 10 millimeters, and two screws right. I believe it's this stick right here. This stick, which is 14 millimeter, and four of them, and that's it. Then you have an access to it, and then that's it. Well, thank you very much. Hope this helps.